Hi everyone, welcome to the AP Smart Guru. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install and activate the VMware Workstation Pro 17. First, we need to download the installation file. So we can browse our omkeys.com website in Google Chrome. Search for a VMware Workstation Pro 17 and next click on the product image. Download the VMware Workstation Pro 17 by clicking on this link. Here we see the two options. One is Workstation 17 Pro for Windows, another one is Workstation 17 Pro for Linux. I'm using downloaded for Windows 10, so I'm go with first option. Click on download button. After completion of the downloading process, next we can install VMware Workstation. So double click on this downloaded file to start the installation process. Click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Accept the install Windows Hypervisor platform automatically. Click on next. Accept enhanced keyboard driver. Click on next. Untick on these two options. Click on next. Create shortcuts. Click on next. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installation is complete, launch the VMware Workstation Pro 17. Click on Finish. After completion of installation process, system will be restored. If we ignore the system restart after completion of installation, the feature will work after restarting your PC or laptop. Open the VMware Workstation Pro software. Activate your software by entering the license key provided by omkeys.com website, or you want to try for 30 days. Click on Continue. Read this paragraph. Click on Finish button. Go to Help about the VMware Workstation. Here see your license information. Click on OK. This is the process of the install and activate of the VMware Workstation Pro 17.